It is not the beauty of a building you should look at. It's the construction of the foundation that will stand the test of time. Kasana Builders Private Limited truly believes that the buildings they make should pass the test of time. Established in 1988, Kasana Builders Private Limited is a brainchild of Mr. Kushal Pal Singh, an engineer himself. Kasana Builders Private Limited over the past 28 years has successfully completed many prestigious projects like library, meditation center, faculty building, hostel and housing in Gautam Budh University and residential villas in Noida and Greater Noida. Our company has also completed many rural road projects and state highway projects. We take pride in sufficient equipments that the company owns. From batching plants to concrete pumps to hot mix plant and wet mix plant. We offer a whole range of construction related equipments. Our company has graders, excavators, trucks, road rollers to cater any type and quantum of highway works. We have the ability to manage operations in diverse industries and economies coupled with our track record in mobilizing financial and human resources, which makes us the pioneer of contracting company for critical projects of any magnitude. Presently, KBPL is one of the promising companies in NCR. The company has been formed to undertake engineering works of unrestricted values with most of the government departments, public and private sector organizations. It is a tribute to the company's outstanding performance that many national contractors have expressed their interest for partnership on equal footing for mega-sized projects. Without foundations, there can be no fashion. Apart from the latest methods and techniques, the company has introduced automation in its working styles, use of QA and QC methods, project management and control tools. Safety manual is the hallmark of company's operations. As an organization, it is always on the move to improve its productivity further by resorting to new management of tools as they become available. The company does not rest on its laurels and continues to endeavor the future course of development to reach the peaks of engineering profession, excellence, expediency, economy with focus on 4 M's of management to execute any civil project successfully. Our vision is to be amongst the leading construction and contracting company in India, having presence across infrastructure sector and to become the most sought after contractor in NCR. Our motto is to strive constantly to evolve, led by a culture of quality, improvement and teamwork to become an innovative pioneer in infrastructure development competing globally. Our specialty lies in constructing residential apartments, group housing and institutional buildings. A sneak peek of the equipment that we own. 4 batching plants with a capacity of 30 cubic meters, 2 stationary concrete pumps, 7 transit mixer, 1 concrete fury with a capacity of 4 cubic meters, 1 poke lane, 4 JCB front loader, 5 tipper or dumper, 1 motor grader, 8 bar cutting machines, 8 bar bending machines, 20 vibrators, 6 builder hoist, 4 water tankers, 10 generators of 30 to 125 kilowatt per ampere, and 2 weight bridge. We also have our own 17 floor grinding machine, 3 gas cutting sets, 5 electric welding sets, 5 welding set or gas welding sets, 5 diesel engine of 7.5 horsepower, 14 diesel engine of 6 horsepower, 3 drill machine pedestal, 4 drill machine portable, 3 hot and wet mix plant, 18 road rollers, pavers, compactors and dozers, 7 theodolite, 6 dumpy levels, 3 cube testing machines, 22 cube molds, 4 slump test apparatus, 3 Marshall test apparatus, 4 impact value test apparatus. We also have bulk of shuttering plants, vertical pipes, horizontal pipes and base plates with screw jack, acroprop, acrospar and maccolum. Since 2010, we have delivered a hostel block under IITTM campus in Noida, a district jail at Luxor village in Gautam Budh Nagar, have also designed, built and undertook operation of 2 MLD STP based sequential batch reactor technology, followed by operation and maintenance of 60 months at village Sadhopur of Greater Noida. Also, construction of a 60-meter wide roadside right carriageway and drain on Yamuna Expressway. Widening and strengthening of Muradabad Sambal Road and of 60-meter wide road from Police Line to NH24 Link Road. Currently, we are working on the construction of multi-storied 666 flats at Madhuban Bapudham scheme in Ghaziabad. Construction of multi-story staff quarter at New Ashok Nagar for DMRC Limited under Phase 3 of MRTS project is also underway. G+3 residential towers in Kanpur's Shatabdi Nagar is also being constructed by us. This project has a total of 1,216 MIG houses. Another 820 MIG flats are also under construction at Kanpur's Jawaharpuram under the Samajwadi Awas Yojana. Through the strength and expertise of our people, Kasana Builders Private Limited has sustained its business success providing innovative construction solutions to complex infrastructure projects across the state for over 25 years. Kasana Builders' vision motivates us to reach up to the customer's expectation and ensure their delight at all times. We want to be known for our authenticity, hard work and largely excellent quality work. We shape our buildings and thereafter they shape us.